beautiful people, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you full makeup kit under 3000 rupees. So I have seen a lot of videos coming on YouTube saying that makeup products under 500 rupees, and we accept with that video that those videos are going to have all the makeup products in just 500 rupees, but that doesn't work, I guess. So today I will be showing you just in 3000 rupees all the products, like from primer to makeup fixer, lipstick, everything. So let's get the video started. Firstly, I go with primer. So this is my primer. Now you will be wondering, makeup fixer as primer? So I use this makeup fixer. Because primers are not too cheap only. So it is written on the bag that makeup fixer used either before or after makeup. So you can see. I hope you all can see. So I am in love with this product. So this comes with the aloe vera with vitamin E, and it works pretty beautiful on your skin before makeup, much better than after makeup. Like if so, this is by Swiss Beauty, as you can see, and I love this product. So this comes in a spray bottle. This is how the spray bottle looks like. It works much better before makeup, I guess. After makeup it doesn't look too good. So like it doesn't work that well, because after makeup it doesn't work, but before makeup as primer it is the best. So if you want to go with before makeup, go with this. As a primer it works pretty well. So let's go to our second item, which is, by the way, price of this makeup fixer is just 135 rupees. Like seriously, just 135 rupees with this company. Second product is this color corrector, orange color corrector. This is how it is. I love this product. It comes with two brushes. Like I just use these color correctors in these two color correctors, and it comes with two brushes. This brush works pretty well on eyes. Like under eye also it works pretty well, but this one, let me show you the brush. I have not used this brush at all, because this brush works like jhadu. Seriously, it looks like jhadu. See? Seriously, it works as jhadu. It's not good at all. It's not soft at all. It looks like jhadu. It doesn't work good, but I think so. इसका जितना प्राइस है उस हिसाब से जो ब्रश है वो परफेक्ट है. So yeah. By the way, it just costs 200 rupees, 280. And I just use these two for in the starting. So yeah, like the company is just Marks. I've never heard its name before, but I'm using this product and I'm a little bit happy with it. So yeah, by the cost it looks like the perfect thing. By the way, I am in the shade the 2, because item number 1 has more color characters like green, pink, orange, and I was just wanting the orange character, so I picked this one. So let's go to our third product. So my third product is this Swiss Beauty concealer, Swiss Beauty liquid concealer, and I am in the shade Sand Sable 2. So this is the best concealer I've ever used. It comes with such a high coverage that I just love this product. Let me show you. And its container is also pretty good. This is how it looks like. And you can seriously apply it like this, and seriously your dark circles would hide so well. Like I use concealer because after correctors we all need concealer. So this is the best, like the best I've ever used. and this is by 200 only. Like this is also 200 and it works so well. Like it is in pretty much shades, like it has almost 10 shades, and I love this. The best. So let's go to our next product, and that is foundation. So I use this Cosmo Face True Skin foundation because I didn't want to invest too much on foundations. As per the concealer always covers the must. So it just costs 80 rupees, and that is the best. Like this is available on Amazon, Flipkart, everywhere. I would be linking every single product in the description box, so go check them out. And this is in the shade Natural. Let me show you what the shade Natural says on. The Natural goes very well on my weight. The Natural goes very well on my face, skin, like. So I love this shade, and if you're in my shade, so go with this foundation. For darker skin tones, I do not prefer this foundation at all, but for lighter skin, this is the two products. And the first, like I make the eyebrow with this product. This is color number 1, and this is proper black because my eyebrows are proper black, that's why. This is like a pencil, you can make it like this. And it comes with this brush which doesn't need anything to be explained. Like इसे करेंगे कैसे? I was clueless, so I don't know how to use this brush. I just use this pencil. So yeah, this pencil works pretty well, and it is waterproof, and it just costs 20 rupees. Like seriously, 20 just took my mind like this. Because it works pretty well. It is pretty pigmented. Let me show you. So I love it, that's why. So yeah, this is the best. It is by Mayon. Like this is local, but it still works well, so I guess yeah. Let's go to our next product, and that is blushing. I go with blushing always. Like everyday single basic makeup also I go with blushing. I love blush. So this is like the whole video is for this only. This is the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette. I love this palette. This comes with many shades, but I'm in the shade 6 because I love this palette. So there was many shades like nude and all that, but I go with this one because it has the blush shade, some glitter shades, nude shades, everything this has. Like it's a carry, like easily traveled because इसमें nude shades मिल जाएंगे आपको, blush करने के लिए मिल जाएगा, highlighting भी इससे हो जाएगी आराम से, इससे contour भी हो जाता है. So the best. And its cost is just 286 rupees. Like seriously, 286 is the best for this small Swiss Beauty Ultimate. These are very much in shades. Like I got a shade which was just nude, but I didn't like it because it was only for the eyeshadows, and I don't use only the eyeshadows for eyeshadows only. So this is the best. Love this the best. So next, let's go to our next product, and that is highlighting. So I love highlighting a lot. Like a lot, I love it. So I go with this again, Swiss Beauty. I love this Swiss Beauty highlighter. So firstly I was using this blush, but then it was a little bit shimmery, so I just buy this one. So yeah, there are two, like this can be used in bronzing also. This can be used in bronzing also, and then this is the downer one is the highlighting shades. Like these two works pretty well in highlighting, and this can be used as blush. So if you want a highlighter, bronzer, blush palette, go with this one. This is by Swiss Beauty, so it's a trusted company, so I prefer you guys to buy this one. So this cost 180 rupees. हाँ, it just cost 180 rupees, and इसमें and this baked blusher and highlighter has so many shades. Like there is a whole kit for blushes only, there is a whole kit for highlighters only, but this is the best, so go with this one. So let's go to our next product, that is contouring. So for contouring I go with two products, and first one is this Mars contour cream wala, the color corrector one. So I go with cream. Whenever I'm wanting to go with the cream contour, I go with this one. And whenever I'm wanting to go with powder contouring, I always go with this one, this palette. So like whenever I'm wanting a darker contouring, I go with this shade, lighter contouring this shade, and medium contouring this shade. This comes in like pretty well. This works more better than this one because it needs a lot of blending. This doesn't need a lot of blending. So yeah. So after contouring, blushing and highlighting, I go to my eyes. Now eyes are my favorite to go with when I am going with makeup, because that works pretty well. Like it looks pretty good whenever I do eye makeup. So let's go to eye makeup. So for eye makeup I have two products, and the first one. So that was all. I seriously hope you like this video. If you did, smash down that like button and please subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to comment which product was your favorite, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.